Hi, my name is Daniel Malik, and today I'm going to show you a new version of Code Auditor, which is a Visual Studio extension. And what I'm having here is an experimental instance of Visual Studio, and on the top menu you can see one new menu which is called Code Auditor. Now if I click that menu, you'll see there are a couple of options here. So I can scan the solution, I can scan TFS pending changes, or I can scan Git changes. And there are a couple of other windows like rules and options, and if you wanna, you can report a bug, request a feature, or see what Code Auditor about. Dialog. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can scan a solution. So basically you have to have a solution loaded, otherwise you cannot scan anything. And then you can choose scan solution from top menu. In the bottom you'll notice straight away that there is a title saying that scan solution starting. You can see that the progress bar happening here. And once the scan is completed, you will get a nice report. It's the same like in desktop version, so basically you can do all the same things. You can change how the rule is treated, or you can open it in browser, or if you double click, it'll take you to the line where that issue was found. And if I click to another line, it'll take me there, and so forth. So this is how you can easily scan a solution in Code Auditor. Now the other thing which is pretty useful, if you want to scan just pending changes in TFS, you can do that by just going Code Auditor and choose Scan Pending Changes, and this will take you to the pending changes window. Of course, this is not a project where I have any changes, that's why this failed. It will come back that your code is healthy because it didn't find any changes. But let me switch to a project where I have some pending changes, and do that again. So if I go now and choose scan pending changes, you can see these are my pending changes. And now it's running the scan, so let's wait for the scan to complete. So here we go. This is an issue that was found in the file that is in one of the changes, and if we go and have a look, command line helper is the class that is coming from here. So let me do another change here in this solution because it's under the same source control. So let's say I just want to fix this issue because there is a try-catch block that's busted. So this is fine. Now if I rescan that, there will be another change here, which is let's just save the file, and here comes a home controller. So if I scan this again, it'll go through all the files that are in here, and it will bring issues from the other file. So this scan pending changes works on the fly. So you can see that these are now issues coming from home controller. Okay, the last thing that I wanted to show you is the scan git commits. So what I'll do now, I'll switch to one of my Git repositories. So I'll go connect, and I'll choose here Git Monaco. Basically it has a simple change in one class, so I'll close this file for now, but it should come up with one issue in code. So if I go here and say scan git changes, it'll do the same thing as for Team Foundation pending changes, and it'll just list the classes, list the files that are available here under included changes. So if I exclude it, I'll show you later. So basically what it found was one issue in code, because the try catch block shouldn't catch general exception, just catch specific ones. Now what I'll do here, the final bit is I want to exclude that one, and if I exclude it, it won't be picked up. So Code Auditor is smart enough to know which files you're actually planning to check in or to commit to Git. The functionality is the same for pending changes on Git or on Team Foundation version control. So as you can see now, it came back and it says your code is healthy. Thanks for watching. Cheers.